do a video, probably the high five, and then I have a pink and Maine stamp and die of the month. That's bee themed. So lots, I mean, I thought it was the summer of fruit. It's also the summer of bees because, I've got the Greetery has a bee thing that I might, I don't know if I'm going to get to it. I just am trying to get so many things done before I have to go back to work. And this is probably going to post after I've gone back to work because I'm posting things in advance because I've just kind of run out of posting space. But just a reminder of the kit, this stamp set is a stamp and stencil. So you stamp it and then you get a stencil, you get the stencils that stencil the body, the wings, and the eyes. Awesome, cute. And then we also got with the kit the honeycomb cluster, which I think is super great. I'm going to need to remember that I have that. And then the bee's knees die, which stamps the little bee in this stamp set and the big bee in this stamp set, I believe. Let's try it, but it does this bee that you can make with the clear stamp set. So that is the kit. Also, things that I used include, I use this on occasion stamp set. I use for this one, I did use the Lawn Fawn hexagon shaker gift tag, honeycomb, whatever die. I used this, which is a sentiment strip duo, which I have to remember doesn't cut well. I have to use a shim, but I keep forgetting, so it's a big pain. I'll put that up there because I need it for something else. And then this, which I love. This was a gift with purchase for, I think, last month, Can't remember if it was last month or not, but recently. And it's amazing. I think the gift with purchases, sometimes I'm like, but the last few ones have been super amazing, and this is one that's amazing. It cuts these frames, and they're fabulous. So I did use that. I'm going to set it to the side because I think I might be looking at using it that.